Hello everyone! In this video I will be making cookies called angel wings. They are very delicate, fragile, airy and super delicious. Inside they have meringue. This recipe is very old. You can find the list of ingredients in the description below the video. I pour flour into a bowl, add salt and cold butter straight from the fridge and grate it. I rub the ingredients into crumbs, just like in the video. Then I add egg yolks and sour cream. First I mix with a spatula, then knead everything by hand. After that you can knead the dough on the table until it becomes elastic, as shown in the video. I roll the dough into a long log and cut it into 30 equal pieces. You can weigh each piece on a scale to make sure they are all the same weight. I roll each piece into a ball, as shown in the video, cover them with plastic wrap, and put them in the fridge for 30 minutes. Now I prepare the meringue. All ingredients are listed in the description below the video. The bowl and mixer must be clean, grease-free, and completely dry, without a drop of water. This is very important, so be careful because the meringue will not whip otherwise. I add egg whites, citric acid and vanilla powder to the bowl. I start whipping. Gradually, in several stages, I add powdered sugar. You can substitute it with regular sugar. The meringue should be well whipped so that when you turn the bowl upside down, it doesn't fall out, as shown in the video. I add cornstarch to the meringue, then ground almonds. But ground almonds are optional. You don't have to add them. Or you can replace them with any other ground or finely chopped nuts. I gently mix everything with a spatula until smooth. I take the dough out of the fridge, sprinkle the table with flour. I take one ball, slightly flatten it, and roll it out with a rolling pin to about 12 to 13 centimeters, 4.7 to 5.1 inches, in diameter. I place a teaspoon of meringue on the dough. I seal it as shown in the video. In the middle I make a partition with my index finger. I fold the dough over the partition and only the corners are sealed with fingers, pressing very tightly so they don't come apart. I place the cookies on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Don't put them too close together. Leave some space because some may open up while baking. I put the cookies into a preheated oven. The baking time and temperature will be listed below the video. If the meringue oozes out of the cookies, don't worry, it won't spread. It will immediately bake and stay in place. I sprinkle the cookies with powdered sugar. Note that there is no sugar in the dough itself in this recipe. Enjoy baking and may everything turn out perfectly.